Hello, dears. Today, key to knowledge is with an interesting topic tricks to learn multiplication table. Watch this video completely to learn some tips and some hand tricks to learn the table from 1 to 10. What is actually multiplication? Multiplication is adding a number repetitively. Just think that I have a lot of chocolates with me and I'm going to share it with you. So first I gave you 3 chocolates. How many do you have now? You have 3 now. One more time, that is second time I am giving you 3 more chocolates. How many you will have? You will have 6. That is 2 times I have given you 3 chocolates each. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, one more time I gave you 3 more chocolates. That is 3 times 3. I have given you 3 chocolates each. So, how many chocolates do you have in total now? You will have 9 chocolates. This is what is actually multiplication. We are repeatedly adding a number. So, most of you think that by hearting or memorizing table from 1 to 10 is very hard. But actually, it is very easy. I have written here the table of 1 to 10. Let us see how we are going to do it. Everyone knows table of 1. It is that same number itself. If you know table of 1, out of those 100 facts, you have already learned 19 facts. Next, it is table of 2. As I said before, we are counting it by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It goes on. That is also easy. When you learn table of 2, you will also get the multiplication fact of all other tables up to 2. Now, my advice to you is when you are learning tables, any number tables, it is better to take your use your fingers of your hands. Assign one number from 1 to 10 for each finger and then say the table repetitively like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. That is table of 3. Just say it repeatedly. While saying it, when you are saying 3, fold your first finger, the finger which you have given the number 1. When you are saying 6, fold your second finger. Like that, practice it. Practice it many times. Then this will be clear to you. So if someone is asking what is 3 fours are, then you will see the fourth finger of when you say 3. It is what is 3 fours are? 12. You will get the answer easily. Just practice it. Okay? So like that you can learn that it is not much difficult to learn table of 3 and 4. So if you learn table of 3 and 4, you will also get the multiplication fact of all other tables up to 4. Now, what is 5's table? Everyone knows 5's table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 65, 55, 60. It goes on. That is, we are counting by 5. Even a first standard student might have learned all this, but not as multiplication table. They might have learned it as uh, fill in the blanks by counting by 5 or complete the series by counting by 2, like that. What is all actually that? It is tables. So, after learning 5's table, you just look. Now more than half of those 100 facts we have learned. Now let us see table of 10. It is also very easy. 10 into any number is that number with one zero written to the right of that number. That is 7 into 10 is 70 or 10 into 7 is 70. 9 times 10 is 90. So it is very easy 10's table. Now just look this. Only 16 more facts are remaining out of this 100. To learn the 16 facts, I will show you one simple hand trick. To do this, you need both your hands. Okay, let us see. Let us find what is 7 into 8. So 7 you can take in any one hand, 8 you can take in the other hand. So you are going to take 7 in this hand. So I am saying we will always start, we will fold our fingers. We need our fingers to do this. We will fold our fingers. We will start it from 6. So 6, first finger is 6, 7. So we are going to find 7 into 8. So I have folded 2 fingers, that is 6, 7. This hand I am taking 8. So 6, 7, 8. 3 fingers folded. Now the value of each folded fingers is 10. So now I have folded 5 fingers. So what will be the total value of this folded fingers? It is 5 into 10, 50. Now you just check how many fingers are remaining. I have 3 fingers left in this hand and I have 2 fingers here in this hand. What is 3 into 2? 3 into 2 is 6. So you are adding the 6 to that 50. What is 50 plus 6? 56. So 7 8s are 56. Isn't it easy? Let us see one more example. We will take 9 sevens are, okay. So I'm taking 9 in this hand. I will start with 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here I'm taking 8, 6, 7, 8, 9 eights. Total folded fingers are 4 in this hand and 3 in this hand. So I have 7 folded fingers. 7 into 10 is 70. Now I have 2 fingers left here and 1 finger here. So 2 into 1 is 2. So it is 70 plus 2, 72. So 9 8s are 72. Is it clear? Do you want one more example? So let us see. 6 into 6. Okay. So I am folding 1 finger. 6. Here also 6. 6 into 6. What is the value of the folded fingers? 2 fingers are folded, so their total value is 20. Here I have 4 remaining. Here I have 4 remaining. So 4 fours are 16. I am adding the 16 to this 20. 20 plus 16 is 36. So 6 6 are 36. I think it is clear to you now. Just practice it from home. And if you feel it's worth watching, please like, comment and share it among your friends. Thank you for watching.